The area of square is 1444 square meter. The area of rectangle is, read this looks like 15, but this is not 15, read it as is 1/4 of the side of the square, and length of rectangle is thrice its breadth. What is the difference between area of square and area of rectangle? So you have a square with a side A, and you have a rectangle, length is L, breadth is B. The area of square is 1444 square meter. So area of square is A square, which is 1444. This is given in the problem. The breadth of the rectangle is 1/4 the side of the square. So B, breadth of the rectangle B is 1/4 of A, right? That satisfies. The breadth of the rectangle is 1/4 of the side of the square. Side of the square is A, breadth is 1/4 of A, and length is thrice its breadth, and L is equal to 3B. Length is thrice its breadth. What is the difference between the area of square and area of rectangle? So basically you have to calculate A square minus L into B. ये वैल्यू आपको निकालनी है. अगर आपको ये वैल्यू निकालनी है, आपको A चाहिए, आपको L चाहिए, आपको B चाहिए. आपके पास A कहाँ से निकाल सकते हैं? We can calculate A from this. We can calculate L from here, and we can calculate B from here. So let us start. We can find out B क्योंकि हमारे पास A की वैल्यू है. I'll start with the calculation of A first. Now A square is equal to 1444. So A is equal to root 1444, which is A is equal to 38. This is the value of A. अगर आपके पास A है तो आप B निकाल लीजिए, which is the breadth. So here breadth is equal to A by 4, which is 38 upon 4, which is 9.5. Now since you have breadth, you can calculate length also, because length is equal to 3 into breadth. So length is equal to 3 into 9.5. Now we have length, we have breadth, which is 9.5, and we have A also. So let us solve this. A square minus L into B. A square we know is 1444 minus L is 3 into 9.5 into B is 9.5. If you solve this, 1444, if you multiply 3 and 9.5 and 9.5, you get a value 270.75, and if you subtract these two, you get 1173.25. So calculation will be little tricky. You have to practice.